Hey there! My name is Riley Kirk and I'm a junior at Gateway Senior High School. I'm also a Remake Learning Days Youth Ambassador. As part of this program, I'm hoping that you can join me at Hands-on Herpetology, which is hosted by Laurel Hill State Park and Ashley Respet at the State Park on May 14th. The event is a free hands-on drop-in from 10 a.m. to noon, so show up anytime between those hours, and all ages are welcome. During this event, park naturalists are going to lead us on a hike where we will learn to identify different reptiles and amphibians, along with what makes a good habitat for these creatures. I, for one, can't wait to get some fresh air and learn something new. I will hopefully be conducting interviews with some of the participants and some of the naturalists on the trip, and including them in my subsequent article. To register for this event, which is necessary to attend, please email Ashley Respet at arespet, R-E-S-P-E-T, @pa.gov. To find out more about hands-on herpetology, go to remakelearningdays.org/hands-on-herpetology. This event is just one of hundreds of free events taking place in southwestern PA from May 12th to 23rd as part of Remake Learning Days across America. To check out more events, feel free to visit remakelearningdays.org. Can't wait to see you there!